In the modern era of constant connectivity and demanding work schedules, achieving a healthy work-life balance can feel like an elusive goal. Balancing professional commitments with personal life is essential for overall well-being, productivity, and happiness. However, it requires intentional effort and strategic organization. This video delves into 5 effective tips to enhance work-life balance while organizing for productivity. Establish clear boundaries. One of the fundamental steps toward achieving a balanced life is setting clear boundaries between work and personal time. Define specific work hours and honor them as much as possible. Inform colleagues and supervisors about these hours to manage expectations. Conversely, designate personal time for family, hobbies, and relaxation, safeguarding it against work intrusion. Embracing technology with mindfulness aids in boundary establishment. Utilize features like scheduling tools to set auto-responses for emails outside working hours. Similarly, consider disabling non-urgent notifications on devices during personal time to prevent distractions. Designate a workspace separate from personal areas. This could be a home office or a specific corner that signifies work time. Consistently enforce these boundaries to maintain the balance between work and personal life. It might take time for others to adjust, but staying consistent is crucial. Establishing clear boundaries is essential for mental well-being, increased productivity, and a healthier lifestyle. It requires discipline, communication, and commitment to ensure both professional success and personal fulfillment. Prioritize tasks effectively. Effectively managing time and tasks is crucial for a balanced life. Assess each task's importance and urgency. Use methods like the Eisenhower matrix, dividing tasks into 4 categories: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, neither urgent nor important. To prioritize effectively, focus on completing high-priority tasks first to prevent work overflow into personal time. Employ time-blocking strategies, dedicating specific time slots to tasks and activities. Utilize techniques like time blocking or the Pomodoro technique to allocate specific time slots for tasks. This helps in staying focused and organized. This practice not only ensures essential work gets done, but also carves out time for personal endeavors. Tools like calendar apps or planners help allocate time for work, exercise, family, and leisure, fostering a more balanced lifestyle. Prioritizing tasks effectively is fundamental for managing workload, reducing stress, and creating a healthier balance between work and personal life. It allows for a more organized approach, ensuring that time and energy are allocated to what matters most. Embrace remote work flexibility. The rise of remote work offers newfound flexibility, allowing individuals to reshape their work routines. Embrace this flexibility by establishing a dedicated workspace at home, ensuring separation between professional and personal areas. Maintain a routine similar to an office setting, commencing and concluding work at defined times. Remote work eliminates commuting time, offering more time for personal activities, family, hobbies, or self-care. This extra time contributes to a healthier work-life balance. Working remotely can reduce stress associated with office environments, such as distractions, office politics, or long commutes. This reduction in stress positively impacts overall well-being. Leverage remote work benefits to integrate personal tasks into the day, like a midday workout or attending family events without commute constraints. However, maintain discipline to prevent work from encroaching on personal time, fostering a harmonious balance between the 2 spheres. Practice mindfulness and self-care. Mindfulness practices and self-care rituals play a pivotal role in achieving a balanced lifestyle. Incorporate mindfulness exercises like meditation, deep breathing, or mindful walking into daily routines to alleviate stress and increase focus. These practices help maintain mental clarity and emotional stability, contributing to a healthier work-life equilibrium. Incorporate regular breaks throughout your workday to recharge. Use these breaks for short mindfulness exercises, stretching, or relaxation to improve productivity and mental well-being. Reflect on and appreciate the positive aspects of both work and personal life. This helps in reducing stress and increasing satisfaction. Furthermore, prioritize self-care by engaging in activities that rejuvenate the mind and body. Exercise regularly, eat nutritious meals, and ensure adequate sleep. Taking breaks during the workday fosters productivity and prevents burnout, enhancing overall well-being and work-life harmony. Learn to say no and delegate. The ability to say no and delegate tasks is vital in maintaining balance and productivity. Recognize personal limits and avoid overcommitting to work or social obligations. Politely declining tasks or commitments that exceed capacity prevents undue stress and maintains balance. Saying yes to everything can lead to burnout, decreased productivity, and negatively impact both work and personal life. Additionally, delegation is an effective strategy for managing workload. Trusting colleagues or outsourcing tasks enables focus on high-priority responsibilities while promoting teamwork and skill development in others. Effective delegation optimizes productivity, allowing for more time and energy dedicated to personal pursuits. Regularly assess your workload and commitments. Evaluate if saying yes to additional tasks aligns with your priorities and contributes positively to your work-life balance. Learning to say no and delegating tasks effectively are essential skills that help maintain a manageable workload, reduce stress, and create space for personal activities, contributing significantly to achieving a better work-life balance. Achieving a better work-life balance while organizing for productivity is an ongoing journey that requires intentional effort and dedication. Establishing boundaries, prioritizing tasks, embracing flexibility, practicing mindfulness and self-care, and mastering the art of saying no and delegating tasks are foundational steps toward attaining harmony. By implementing these tips, individuals can create a conducive environment that fosters both professional success and personal fulfillment, leading to a more balanced, productive, and fulfilling life. Balancing work and life isn't about perfection, but about conscious efforts toward a harmonious integration of both spheres, ultimately leading to a more satisfying and rewarding lifestyle. If you found the video useful, don't forget to like and comment. To be informed about new videos, you can subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification. Goodbye, see you in other videos.